Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you? Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you? Under the deck, Knight of Swords, someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you. This person is so much in rush. They want to communicate with you. It could be a new person or past person, but someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you. Yeah, communication. You will receive unexpected communication if you are in separation. If you are not, maybe for some, it could be a new person to you. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 10 of Wands, King of Wands and 4 of Wands. I think in recent past, you are feeling overburdened, maybe due to family responsibilities or work pressure. You are very busy with your works or family responsibilities. And you stand by your power. You are very grounded. Maybe you are working towards your goals. There is some celebration here in recent past. Maybe work related, it could be. For some, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. I think for some, you want this happiness with your person, but it is not happening for some. In relationship wise, 4 of Cups energy present. So missed opportunity with your person. Cancer with Queen of Cups. You are moving on from 10 of Wands energy to Cancer. Definitely this is not a permanent energy. There is some transformation in energy. You are transforming from 10 of Wands to Chariot, Cancer. Chariot, yeah, this is not a permanent energy. There is some relief is coming in your way. And Queen of Cups, you have strong emotions for your person. But there is some missed opportunity with your person, 4 of Cups. You are feeling sad for something or for someone. There is missed opportunity. Future, 7 of Cups, 8 of Wands and Ace of Swords. But lots of communication is coming. Maybe you are in some confusion which decision you have to make. I think it is about confusion. There is lots of communication is coming in your way, near future, back and forth. Someone is coming towards you, rushing towards you to communicate with you. And communication with clarity is coming. Ace of Swords, truth coming out. Yeah, but I think you decided to leave behind everything that doesn't serve you anymore. That's why you started moving. But it is very slow moving. Still, Chariot, it is moving. Yeah. Maybe even though you are feeling missed opportunity with your person, but it is okay. But there is communication is coming with clarity. Lots of communication. Still, but you are in some confusion state. Maybe for some you have options too. You don't know which one you have to choose. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. Hermit, I think you both are not in contact with each other. Maybe your person is not talking to you. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings. Their current feelings towards you. There is waiting period. Definitely you both are in separation. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And 9 of Wands with 5 of Wands and Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. They're guarded up right now, and there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. And Three of Wands, waiting game. Maybe they are waiting for you to come back to them. There is some waiting game, there is a lot of drama going, and they're patiently watching everything. Temperance. They want to take their power back. But communication is coming, but your person thinking a lot of things about this connection. Five of Wands, maybe they're fighting for your attention. They're patiently waiting for the right time to come towards you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Virgo. Yeah, Four of Cups, missed opportunity. Seven of Cups. Three of Cups. I think for some third party involved in this connection, maybe your person have options. Maybe, I think it's not about options here. Four of Cups with Seven of Cups. They are fantasizing about you a lot because they're missing you. They missed the opportunity with you. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. And they're undergoing some spiritual awakening also, because the Temperance with Hangman. They're spiritually awakening about this connection, and they're fantasizing about you a lot. They're dreaming about you a lot, because they're feeling missed opportunity with you, and they know they messed up. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Judgment, the World. Another deck, Queen of Cups. Yeah, your person have emotions for you, and Judgment, they are going to be make decision regarding this connection. And the World, for some, the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. And this could be long distance. Maybe you walked away from this connection because they are not making any move. King of Cups. Yeah, someone is ready to offer this to you. King of Pentacles, you are more concentrating on your career, Virgo, investing energy on yourself, concentrating on your growth. There is separation between both of you. One person is walked away in this connection. I think it's you. There are two cards, Tower and Knight of Wands. There is a lot of attraction. Yeah, you both are heartbroken with Nine of Pentacles. Maybe you both are concentrating on your career right now. And yeah, you both are heartbroken without each other. Definitely you both are feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. I think there is some major decisions you person have to make, because Four of Cups with Seven of Cups and Hangman. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. Their fans said they're dreaming about you. Yeah, they're going to be make some major decision in near future. Decision making is the key in this connection. So let's see your overall energy. See, no talking, Four of Swords energy. You both are in no contact situation. So Virgo, let's see your overall energy for the week. Magician, you are in this energy. Near future, you will manifest whatever you want. Maybe you are also feeling juggling. Knight of Swords, some communication is coming. Definitely there is some communication is coming. You will receive unexpected communication. For some, it could be a new person also, communication wise. Because I am seeing two persons here. For some, not all. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Virgo. Ace of Cups, King of Swords, Seven of Swords and Three of Swords. They know they hurt you in past. Maybe they treated you as an option in past. They are heartbroken because they did hurt you in past. Seven of Swords energy. But now they're realizing you both King of Swords. They want to be honest with you. And Ace of Cups. They really want to offer this cup of love to you. But it will take some time. They're going to be choose you. But it will take some time to realize. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Your hard work is paying off, and another deck, emotions are running high. So if you are doing any hard work regarding your company, whatever you are doing, your hard work is paying off. You are getting results for your hard work and emotions are running high. So if you are feeling depressed and your emotions are running high, if you are in this situation, do meditation, heal yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.